Inequality statements represent comparisons between the values of two quantities. For example, let's compare the values 4 and 9. We write the inequality 4 is less than 9 to indicate that 4 is to the left of 9 on the number line. On the other hand, we write 9 is greater than 4 to indicate that 9 is to the right of 4 on the number line. We can also describe entire solution sets of numbers that meet a certain criteria. For example, x is greater than 6 describes all values of x that, when plotted on a number line, are to the right of 6. We can represent this visually by drawing a number line, plotting an open dot at 6, and then shading to the right of 6. The inequality x is less than or equal to -1 describes all values of x that, when plotted on a number line, are at or to the left of -1. We can represent this visually by drawing a number line, plotting a point at -1, and then shading all values of x to the left of -1. Understanding inequalities can help us represent the values of many real-world quantities. For example, Jasmine doesn't like to go swimming in her pool when the water temperature is below 76 degrees Fahrenheit. When the water temperature is 76 degrees Fahrenheit or above, she will go swimming. So let's let the variable t represent the water temperature of her pool in degrees Fahrenheit. Then, values of t that are acceptable water temperatures for Jasmine can be represented algebraically by t is greater than or equal to 76. And we can represent the set of t values by plotting 76 on the number line and then shading all values to the right. Values of t that are unacceptable water temperatures for Jasmine can be represented by t is less than 76. And we can represent this visually by plotting an open dot at 76 and then shading all values to the left of 76.